In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage product options on Wix. Whether you're just starting your online store or looking to expand your product offerings, it's essential to get these foundational steps right. So, let's dive in and explore how to seamlessly integrate new products with the options you need to reach your customers effectively. First, head over to the Store Products tab within your site's dashboard. This is the hub where all your product management will take place. If you're looking to introduce a new product, click on the Plus New Product option. Here you can decide whether your new offering will be a physical product or a digital file. For today's example, let's work with a physical product. This choice is important as it determines several features and options that you'll set up later on, like inventory and shipping. Once you've chosen a physical product, you'll want to start by adding media. High-quality images or videos help convey the essence of what you're selling, so ensure you upload the best visuals you have that accurately represent your product. Moving on, the product info area is where you'll enter a name, ribbon, and a compelling description that captures the attention of potential buyers. This section not only provides clarity on what your product is, but also serves as a mini sales pitch. There's also an additional info section, which is perfect for sharing any supplementary information that might aid your customer, such as return policies or care instructions. Clear and detailed information here can reduce queries and improve customer satisfaction. Next, focus on pricing. Here, you'll set the base price and have the option to mark it on sale, which can entice hesitant buyers. Displaying the price per unit can be handy if your product is sold in bulk, giving your customers complete transparency. Personalization is a fantastic way to add value. So, if applicable, include a custom text field which allows buyers to make their purchase uniquely theirs. Now, we arrive at product options. This is where you can add variations such as color choices or size options. Offering variety caters to a wider audience preference and enhances the shopping experience by providing them precisely what they're looking for. Once you've set up these options, it's time to look at inventory and shipping. Keep a close eye on your inventory levels to avoid selling out or overselling. Consider enabling pre-order settings for items that you'd like to offer in advance, keeping the momentum going even when stock runs low. Finally, if you wish, creating a subscription model can be an exciting way to generate steady revenue and customer loyalty. Tailor this feature if your product suits a subscription format. After tweaking all settings to your liking, simply click Save, and there you are. Your product is now live and visible on your store, ready for customers to explore and purchase.